Fix hidden Safari settings exposing your iPhone privacy. Your iPhone might be exposing your personal data without you even realizing it. In this video, I'm going to show you the hidden Safari settings that are leaking your privacy and how to fix all of them step by step. Make sure you watch this till the end because the last setting is the most important. First, grab your iPhone and open Settings. Scroll down the settings page and tap on the apps. On the apps page, search for Safari and tap on it. Many people skip these settings, but this is where most privacy leaks happen. Under the privacy and security section, the very first thing you need to enable is prevent cross-site tracking. When this is off, websites can track you even after you leave their site. By turning it on, you are blocking websites from following you around the internet. Hide your IP address from trackers. Next, tap on the hide IP address and make sure it is set to from trackers. Your IP address reveals your location and the network you are using. By hiding it, Safari basically puts a mask on your identity so advertisers and trackers cannot trace you. Enable fraudulent website warning. Under the privacy and security tab section itself, make sure fraudulent website warning is on. This feature alerts you instantly if you are about to open a scam or phishing or fake website. If this is off, you might not even know when a website is trying to steal your data. Fix search bar privacy settings. Now scroll to the search section. Turn off search engine suggestion. This sends every word you type to your search engine before you even search. Turning this off keeps your typing private. Turn off Safari suggestions. This sends your search text to Apple. If you prefer full privacy, disable this as well. Manage quick website search. This feature sends data to websites to speed up instant searches. If you don't use it, turn it off to reduce unnecessary data sharing. Enable advanced tracking and fingerprinting protection. Now let's fix one of the most powerful privacy settings that most people don't know about. Scroll down and tap on Advanced. In the Advanced page, under Privacy section, tap on Advanced Tracking and Fingerprint Protection. By default, it is set to private browsing only, meaning Safari protects you only in private mode. Change it to all browsing. This stops websites from identifying your device through fingerprinting. Things like your screen size, fonts, device model, and more. Even if you use a VPN, fingerprinting can still track you unless you enable this feature. Clear suspicious website data. Go back and tap on website data from the advanced page. Here you will see long list of websites storing your data on your device. If you find anything suspicious, tap on edit and remove the specific site, or tap on remove all website data to clear everything. This helps remove trackers and also speeds up Safari. Control camera, mic and location access. Tap on back and go to the Safari settings page. Now scroll down the settings for website section. Tap on camera and set this to ask. Do the same for microphone as well as location. This means website can't access your camera, mic or location without your permission. You'll stay in full control. Check Safari extensions. Under general sections, tap on extensions. If you see extensions you don't recognize or don't use, remove them immediately. Some browser extensions can track your browsing activity. And that's it. These hidden Safari settings can dramatically improve your privacy and stop websites from tracking you. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe for more iPhone tips. And tell me in comments, did you already know about these settings or you are fixing them now?